Getting ready to get some night work done here. You can see it's a lot of work here. Um, my dad's been moving music equipment in this bus for over 50 years, and with all this equipment in and out, the floor is pretty beat up, but there's no holes. So I'm gonna take those seat belts off, take some of that adhesive off and get sanding and grinding away here. Clean this up a little bit, and maybe I'll take that panel off tonight too. And anyways, I just want you guys to see what I got going on next. And it's a lot of work here.